This is a Python tutorial. So this video you will learn how to swap two variables. So let me just show you how it is done. So basically we create two variables, right? A and B. So A will store number 1, B will store number 2. So now let me just print this out. A and B, right? So let's just quickly save that and run this quickly. So let me print this out. So Python 3 and the name of the file. So it's called python.py. Okay, so now you can see the it's print A equal to 1, B is 2, right? So now I want to swap this. So A will be 2 and B will be number 1. So to swap this, very simple, just write the same thing, right? A and B and equal to B and A. That's it, simple as that. Now let me just run this again and now you can see the variable swap. Okay, this is called in place swap. Normally in other languages you would do something like, okay, let me just create another one here. Let's just say x, okay, equal to 5 or y equal to 10, or you can also use the shortcut the same as this as well, but I just want to show you the normal how it is done in the past. All right, so the other one here, we normally create a temp variable, right? So temp equal to x and x equal to y, and finally y equal to temp. Okay, so what this does here, the x is number 5, right? So it will store into this temp variable, and now we swap. Okay, so y equal to 10, we will store it into x. So now x turn to number 10, and the temp is store the value of 5, right? And number 5 now it is stored in y. So that's how the swapping done in the past. Let me just print this out as well. So this will be x and y. Okay, let's just do that, and here you can see number 10 and number 5, but you don't have to use this long code. You just need to use a b equal to b and a. That's it. So yep, that's how you swap two variables in Python.